Man, you would have thought it was Thanksgiving. Do you see what I see right at this moment? This is my recipe for some juicy, delicious baked turkey wings. And I know you see the drip on the screen right now. That sauce is everything, guys. This is a super easy recipe for you guys to make, and you and your family, all your loved ones are going to absolutely love this dish. I'm gonna show you how to make it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. Last but not least, leave a like on the video, and let's get started. Alright guys, I have myself 4 turkey wings. I went ahead and separated the flats from the drums. You could keep them as one piece if you like, it's kind of personal preference. And all I'm doing here is drizzling a little bit of olive oil on top of our turkey wings. And on the screen here, I have a list of every single one of the dry ingredients we're going to be using to season up these turkey wings to perfection. And guys, don't be scared with the seasoning. You know me, I'm going generous, and you want to be very, very generous and deliberate when you seasoning these turkey wings. And all I'm doing here is giving these turkey wings the best massage that these turkey wings have ever experienced in their life. I'm getting in all the crevices, all the cracks. I'm massaging all of that goodness into these turkey wings, guys. And I'm being very generous. I'm getting all those seasonings into this pan here. I forgot to make note that you want to go ahead and just already drop them in the pan that you're going to be baking these turkey wings in. And like I said, I'm just being very deliberate, very heavy-handed with the seasoning. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here like Salt Bae, just drizzling all over the place. And we're just going to massage these turkey wings until they're seasoned up to absolute perfection, guys. And once we have them seasoned up real nice, we're gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth to our turkey wings. And this chicken broth, you don't want to pour it on the top of the turkey wings because we don't want to wash, like, it's not washing it away, but we want a nice crust on the top of our turkey wings. So try to get that chicken broth kind of in the side and all the cracks and crevices. Try not to wash off that top layer so we have a nice, beautiful crust when it comes out of the oven. Next, I'm gonna add about half an onion. And the onions, you want to try to get them into that chicken broth because you don't want to really leave them on top like I did, because they're gonna get super crispy in the oven. And on the screen here, we baked them at 400 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes uncovered, guys. And once you do that, this is what you get. You get the best wings you have ever had, ever. When I say ever, I mean ever. You ain't had better turkey wings than these. And guys, do not skimp out on that sauce. You're gonna get a spoon and scoop up all the sauce out that pan, every little single last drop, and you want to drizzle it on top of your turkey wings, drizzle it on top of your veggies, drizzle it on top of your rice, guys. Do not waste that sauce. That sauce is everything, guys. That sauce is so amazing. This dish is absolutely so flavorful. When I say you're gonna enjoy it, I absolutely mean it. It is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.